We are officially monetized. Like guys, this is the best gift I've heard this year. Like we are officially monetized. Hi guys, my name is Susan, and to all my new viewers, welcome to my vlog channel. This is the first out of the two channels I have where I share my no-fail recipes. The first channel is Sussy's Cakes Recipes, where I share all baking tutorials, baking behind the scene, baking recipes. And if you're a baker like myself, a professionally trained chef like myself, or you're just joining the industry, the baking and food industry, you want to stay subscribed to that channel. And this particular channel is where I share all my commercial recipes, my no-fail commercial recipes that I've been using for years. And I share premium tips that no one on YouTube has ever shared. My OGs knows that I'm not lying. That's the truth. That's a fact. You can check my previous video if you're just watching and you confirm for yourself. So yes, my OGs were officially monetized. I can't describe the flow of emotions that's popping in me right now. But thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for your support. It means so much to me. Thank you. I really appreciate it. So coming up next, there are things I've done on the back end of this channel that I believe is going to be of value to everyone. First, there is a super thanks sticker right now on my channel. If you really enjoy my channel and you want to show support, you can just send me a super thanks. It's as easy as ABC and it's very affordable. For as little as 400 now, you can send me a super thanks, just like thank you, I love your content, you're sharing great content, I love your content, and I really appreciate that. Also, there is a membership platform that I already created on this channel. What that simply means is there are some premium recipes that I can't share them on YouTube, on my YouTube like this, because if I do, some content creators are going to come for me the hard way. And I'm just an upcoming YouTuber, so I don't want any issues. So I'm going to be sharing some premium content, some premium recipes on my membership platform. And with as little as 1,500 naira, if you are in Nigeria or in other countries, it will be changed to your own currency. So as little as 1,500 naira, you can join my membership platform where I share premium content, where I'm going to be sharing premium content because because I just created the platform. Now for my commercial donut recipe, the one that I've had a lot of, how do you do it? I need a donut recipe, blah blah blah. That is one recipe that I need to get on my premium platform. That is the premium membership platform. You're going to get that recipe. Also my commercial bread class. Yes, want to go into the bread business, trust me, I got you. I got you. So this is one of the things we're getting on the premium platform. It's on the premium membership platform. So if you are not yet a member, you can join. As little as 1,500 naira monthly, you can join. So these are some of the changes I did at the back end of my YouTube channel. I just want to say again, thank you guys so much. You guys are the biggest, realest support I've ever had. I want more of your support because I need it now. I need it now. I need more. I need your support. I need your subscription if you have not subscribed. I need your like. I need your comments. Keep my comment section busy. Trust me, I will respond to those comments. And if you are new here, want to subscribe, send me hi, I'm new in the comment section, and I'll leave you a special shout out in my next video. I have videos that I'm seeing on you guys. I've not forgotten. I'm not forgotten. So encourage me by engaging my comment section. I really appreciate. Thank you for your support. See you in my next video. And thank you for sticking to me till we got officially monetized. Bye for now.